Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of this new soundbar that came in, which is pretty large. It's from Blitzwolf, which can be found on Banggood, and it's the BWS DB1 version. And I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing and walk around. We'll leave some links to where you can buy it in the description. So this comes with a remote control, HDMI ARC, wireless, coaxial, optical, USB, auxiliary, 60 watts, and a equalizer, which is pretty cool. So we'll pop out the pieces individually. So first of all, you get a little accessories box here, which will contain, just get this opened here. So in here we have lots of cables. So this is our first cable here, comes with the package, and we'll just pop that out there. I think that'll pop off at the end. Yeah, here's our first cable here, which is identical at both ends and has these little protectors on top should you not be using them. And we have our audio cable here and some power. This is our power here, so that's all the cables that come inside the bag itself. So I'll just pop them to one side for now, and onto the actual unit itself. Fire that out up there. So we get some plastic or styrofoam guys in the middle to keep it balanced for transportation, which is cool. And we'll just slide this off at the end. And we get our remote control and booklet. And let's take out the actual unit itself. So first of all, we have our Blitzwolf instruction manual here, which will tell us how to set it up and so on. And we have our little remote control, which is quite standard, with no batteries. Yes, there is. We have a little pull tag here, so let's see what battery is. Probably one of these car types, and it slides out. And yeah, it's something like you'd find in your car alarm or something like that, which is pretty handy. And I'll just pop that to one side. So the unit itself is pretty simple and basic. Underneath we have some feet on the bottom. This will keep it from moving around, though it is fairly heavy enough, so it wouldn't move too much anyway. It's plain and simple on the front. There's no actual digital display. Here we've got our controls. Here we've power on, source, volume, up and down. On the ends there is nothing, as you can see, and on the back we have this nice finish to it here, like so. And we have our inputs here. So we have our optical cable here, which is the first cable we looked at. We have our coaxial, we have our power, we have auxiliary, USB and HDMI. So that's pretty much it on the back, and on the bottom here. And on this side here we have the actual Blitzwolf logo itself, and that's pretty much about it. We'll have to test it out. We're going on our holidays today, so we will have a review in a couple of weeks time. I just wanted to get this out and give a quick unboxing of it anyway. So if you have any questions, you can fire away. These buttons here are nice and clicky, so you know you're gonna you have done something when you've pushed them. Good tactility on them there, so pretty nice, and it's pretty solid. So that's it for now. So if you have any questions, get in touch with me on social media and we'll gladly answer them. Stay tuned for a full review coming in a few weeks time, and we'll talk to you in the next one. So that's the Blitzwolf soundbar. I'm going to drop a link below where you can buy this too. Thanks for watching.